Hi, this is David from Smart World. We're here on a Toyota Cross 2024 hybrid. This device has wireless CarPlay, but it doesn't have wireless Android Auto. So we are using now the App2Car MMB 11 unit to enable wireless Android Auto plus any other features like Netflix and YouTube. So we're just gonna plug in this device on the USB port of the radio, and the device is going to be recognized as a unit in the system. So you will see a new presentation coming on the screen very soon for the unit to be recognized, and then we're going to enable wireless Android Auto in a second. So here we go. The system is being recognized, and we have our wireless Android or Android Auto adapter. We're going to connect it wirelessly. So we wait for the device to upload. And then we just simply go into the menu and select wireless Android Auto. Where is it? Here we go. So it's gonna connect with my mobile phone, and it's gonna get wireless Android Auto in seconds available on the device. And here we go. We have wireless Android Auto now available with maps, music, and all the different functionalities that you have normally in wireless Android Auto. We also tested the voice on the steering wheel. Take me home.
I didn't find any saved home address.
It's working fine. And we also tested the DAB radio. So we can play DAB radio by exiting from the system. And then sources, okay. Yeah. So we can have DAB radio play, and then go into the system and go into maps and get maps working while the DAB radio is on the background. Okay. The other thing this device has is Netflix and YouTube.